Yo, broski. Ah, wait, what's this game called? Is this Solitaire or Solitaire? Guys, if you know what the game's called, just let me know. Bro, yeah, let's go. No time to waste. Let's go. No time to waste. No time to check the time. Ain't time to check the time. No time to check the time. Draw. Observe. Observations. Observe. Observations. Observe. Observations. Observe. Shine your eye. Shine your eye. Shine your eye. Wait. 6 can go. Observation. Observations. Observe. Sharp. 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 Observations. You don't observe the game. Damn. Okay. Kilo busy. Ogbafia. Damn. Why you gonna feel Kilo you be froster? Me, I'm not a Yahoo boy. Where they ask will make pour for cup. Yo. Eh? This thing is let me see how many minutes. 3 minutes. I'm fast. Sharp. No time to waste. 6. Okay. Observations. Now come there. Yes. I'm no more going to that place again. I can sort it out from here. This is 8. I need 9. 6. I need 5. Where's 5 here? 5 should be stocked here. See? Now me. Level 4. It's just that I've really not played this game in a very long time. Yes, sir. I've really not played this game in a very long time. That's why. Alright, let me wrap another session ASAP. Why you guys showing me ads? Oh my god. What was all these ads for? Don't show me ads, Z. ASAP. Let's get this wrapped ASAP. Let's get this wrapped ASAP. I just want to go out small. Sharp. Yo, what kind of cards are these? Doesn't even align. Just 9 Gs, 9 Gs. What the hell? Wow. Not me, nah. Not me, nah. Not me, not me, not me, not me. What's up? What's up? What's up? Let's get started with. Work, work. Okay, I think I'm finally getting this together right now. I used hints a few times. So, level 5, level 5, level 5, level 5, level 5. Level 5, level 5, level 5. I be C, fat safe. I be king. Nah, not now, not now, not now. I don't try. Yanni. I don't try.